Assalamu alaikum and very good morning, my dear students. You are watching YouTube channel Maths with Omar, and this is the seventh problem of exercise 6.3, chapter triangles and grade 10. Right. So, in the given figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. He has given three more points. So let us discuss one by one. So in the given figure, see, whenever you see a question, read it once so that you will get the background picture. Okay, and then try to break it. In the given figure, A, D, E, and CE altitudes. These are altitudes. The first thing you have to remember, you have to get into your mind is whenever they say altitude, see AD is altitude, that means it is 90 degrees to the base. And in the same way, BE is an altitude, that means it is 90 degrees to the base. You have to remember this. And after that, show that and the intersected point P. Okay, fine. Show that triangle AEP is similar to CDP. Where is AEP? Whenever they ask, say this is AEP. Understood? And after that, he said CDP, right? Where is CDP? Where is CDP? So I have made a mistake over here. It is C actually. So, so when it is CDP. So where is CDP? This is CDP. Now tell me, my dear students, you have to show that they are similar. What you are supposed to do, whenever they ask us to prove the similarity or show that these two triangles are similar, either you have to go with angle, 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 side, 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 or side, angle, side. Let us see first whether we can see any angle, angle, angle. See, I can easily find out that this line and this altitudes, they are intersecting at P. So when two lines intersect at P, what are these two angles called as? Vertically opposite angles. So that means this angle is equal to this angle. So I got one angle equal. So either I have to get side side or one more angle. So if I carefully see what is the angle here, 90 degrees. This CD is perpendicular, that means AEP is also perpendicular, right? In the same way, AD is perpendicular, it is an altitude, that means the angle over here is also 90 degrees. So one more angle in red triangle and green triangle, I got one more angle equal. So these two are similar. Let us go in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Students, please follow margin and write the steps. So which are equal, my dear students? The first one is APE is equal to CPD. You don't write angle P is equal to angle P. You cannot write because at point P there are four angles formed. Four angles are formed. So therefore you have to mention it along with its answer. So in angle AEP, what is this angle? Angle APE is equal to CDP. So this angle is called as CPD. And what is the reason you give? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. They are equal, understood? You don't write in shortcuts in examination. Now, what is the other angle equal? Yes, we have just seen that these two angles are equal. So it is angle AEP and angle CDP, right? So angle AEP is equal to angle AEP is equal to CDP. So what is the reason? Altitudes. They are altitudes and therefore the angle is equal to 90 degrees. So since angle and angle are equal by angle similarity criterion, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CD. Can I prove it? Understood, my dear students? So, since I have placed, I will go for the next one also. Let us see what is the next one. So, second one I am writing. You don't write like this. You write one below the other. So, triangle ABD, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CB, CBE. Now check where are these triangles? Okay, so let me rub this. Or see, in examination you cannot rub, right? Whatever you have written. So draw another figure. Nothing will happen. Understood? You may think that you will waste 30 seconds, but it is very simple, and you will get the correct answer. Where is ABD? A, B, and D. So it is about this blue triangle, and after that he is telling CBE. Where is CBE? CBE. So that means, let me draw with green. Okay. So he is talking about these two triangles. Now, are you able to see where is blue and green? Okay. So this is the green, and the other one triangle is this one. So now in these two triangles, can you please tell me, do you have anything in common? See, the green and blue, they are intersecting, and this angle B is common. So I got one angle which is common, this is common, this is common, right? And after that, in these two triangles, which are common, my dear students? Uh, sorry, what is that? ABD, right? ABD. ABD, I have 90 degrees over here. And after that, it is CBE. CBE. So this is also 90 degrees. Do I get? So two angles, they are congruent. Let us, they are similar. So in triangle ABD, so what are the angles which is common first? Angle B. Let us take ABD. Angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. So what is the reason? Common. After that, what is the another one? Another angle. So it is 90 degrees, right? In angle A, B, and D, you have this angle. What is this angle? Angle ADB is equal to angle and CBE. CBE. So this angle. So it is called as ADB, CEB. The order also will be equal. So it is 90 degrees altitude. Is it right? So since two angles are equal, by angle similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CB. Right? Is it okay? Everybody understood? Sure. Let us do the remaining two. Shall I give you permission to on the board? Everybody, please write stepwise and follow your what is that called as margin. Okay, it looks good. So mathematics, don't make it rough. And shall I rub this one? It's looking okay. See, in examination you cannot rub it. So what? For every problem, try to try to draw the triangle separately, so that you don't get confused. CE is what? Uh, so okay. So CE is an altitude, and in the same way, AD is an altitude to side BC. Okay, this is 90 degrees, and this is also 90 degrees. Now, let us see the third one, AEP. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. ADB. Let us check first where is AEP. AEP. Okay. Here it is P. Okay. Here it is P. So he is talking about AEP. This one and ADB. Where is ADB? ADB. And if I highlight it, so ADB will be like this. Okay. This is ADB. So you see an intersection between red and green. So try to find out equal parts or equal angles, either equal angles or sides which are in proportion. Let us see A, the red one. Let us see AEP. You have 90 degrees over here, right? So this is 90 degrees. And the ADB, you have one more 90 degrees. So these two are equal. Angle AEP is equal to angle ADB, 90 degrees, because it is in their altitudes. And let us see what is the common angle in both of them. Uh, yes, in the red one and in the green one. Which one is common, my dear students? Do you see this angle as common? This angle is both in red and also green. So what is this angle? You cannot say angle A because at point A you have two different angles. So you name it along with its arms. So it is called as with red PAE. PAE is equal to, can I go with BAD? Let me check BAD. Yes, it is common. BAD. It is what? Common. So, therefore, angle and angle are equal by a similarity criterion. By a similarity triangle, AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Proof. Understood or not? So let us see the fourth one. Please write one below the other. Don't be very this one bakhil and do it by side in your examinations. Write it one below the other. So the next one is triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Now let us see where is PDC and BEC. Shall I rub it? Yeah. Yes. Now, PDC, it is about this triangle. Okay, fine. And after that, BEC, BEC, and you have BEC, BEC. Now, do you have anything common here, my dear students? Yes, there is an intersection of green and blue. So, where are they equal? They are equal here. So angle, see one angle we got common. Then in the green one, do you find this angle 90 degrees? And in the other one, in the blue one, do you find, this is blue one, right? CAD. Do you find this as 90 degrees? Yes, sir. We find this as 90 degrees. Do we get two angles then in these two triangles? Let us see what is this. What is the first one? It is in the green one BEC. So angle BEC is equal to angle here. Can I say PDC 90 degrees? Yes, sir. 90 degrees. And because of altitudes, And the other one which is common is green and blue are getting intersected at C. So that means can I write it as ECD is equal to angle BC, ECD, BCE. So they are common. These two angles are equal. So therefore, since I got two angles equal, what do you say? By angle similarity criterion, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Got it, my dear students? Understood now? See, when you differentiate these triangles, you will clearly understand. So, let us see the next problem in the coming video, and please practice it. Please, please, please. It looks very easy, but when you draw triangle, when you shade the triangle, then only you will understand which one is common. Okay, you please don't write angle C is common in both. It is a not angle C. You have to write PCD and BC. Understood? For shading in board examination, you cannot use colors, so you can use pencil and one pencil for one triangle and pen for another triangle. Understood, my dear students? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Please practice, please practice, please practice at least two times. Okay? Take care.